Hey, what's going on? If you want to get a complete system that makes melting fat easy and is 100% automated, then I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of your page right now. YouTube doesn't let me make that link clickable, so you're actually gonna have to type it into your browser, or I also put the copy of the link in the description, so you can click on that or type it into your browser. All right. For now, enjoy the video, and after you're done with this video, make sure to go to that link to get a complete fat melting system.
Today we're going to break down my beast mode leg workout, and we're going to do this with no weights. This requires no weights at all. I'm going to break down some proper form just to make sure we have good form. It's crucial that we have good form when you're doing legs. It's one of the biggest things we want to make sure that we have is form when we do legs. Because if you're doing legs and you don't have right form, you're going to hurt your knees, you can hurt your back when you put weights on there, you can do a lot of damage, all right? We want our knees to stay intact because we don't want to be able to not walk when we get older, right? And if you have knee problems right now, this is even better because we're going to strengthen those legs. Your muscles will help support your knees and your joints. So if you have strong muscles in our legs, it's going to take pressure off the joint. And on top of that, if you have knee problems right now or anything of that nature, and you do work out, it might be because you're not using proper form. All right. So I'm going to break down the form first, and then we're going to jump right into this workout. Everything in this workout is 20 reps. Okay, 20 reps. We're going to do squats. We're going to do the type of lunges, we're going to do the type of calf jumps, and we're going to do type of squat jacks, all right? I'm going to show you all that stuff, and then we're going to jump right into it, all right? So I'm going to break it down nice and slow for you guys. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to jump into our squats, traditional squats, feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing straight, okay? Feet shoulder apart means shoulders line up with our feet, all right? When we do squats, we want to poke our butt out, we want our back straight, head up, all the way down our heels. Okay, so I want to squat. The big thing when we do squats, so we don't hurt our knees, is we want our knees to stay over our ankles. If our knees come past our toes and our heels come off the ground, that puts a lot of pressure on our knees, our patella tendon, and it's going to hurt us. Okay, so butt out, back straight, chest up. Squat down 90 degrees, back up. Okay, let me show you again. Here, shoulders apart, my butt's going to go out, my back's going to stay straight, chest up, knees stay right over my ankles, and I'm going down 90. See how my knees over my ankles? They're not like so they're coming forward, and they're going to bother my knees. Again, one more time. My knees come forward, I'm gonna hurt my knees, all right? So we wanna keep them back. So those are squats. Next thing we're gonna do are lunges, right? We're doing traditional squats, just 20 to warm up, okay? With the lunges, we're gonna do hop lunges, all right? We're only gonna do it with the front leg though. So we're gonna lunge, same thing pretty much when we do those lunges, back straight, head up. We wanna step, big step, all right? We wanna keep the knee over the ankle. We wanna bring the back knee down, okay? The big mistake people try to do when they do lunges is they try to bend with the front knee. And this puts the pressure on the knee. You want to bend with the back knee actually when you do lunges and go straight down. Okay? So what we're going to do with this is we're going to go down with the knee and fire up with the front leg. Up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, up 5. And we're pushing up. Pushing up is going to work this leg even more, and then we're extending it so we work the top of our quad. All right? We're also going to help work those abs as well. We'll get that nice V cut we want here. All right? So we got the lunges. Okay? We got 20, all right? We got 20 we got 20 jumps on each foot, okay? So 20 on right, 20 on left. What we're doing here is we're gonna work our calf muscle, okay? We're gonna get explosion in our legs, and on top of that, we're gonna be working the quad. So we're getting one leg, other foot sits off the ground. We're gonna keep staying on our toes only. Heel never touches the ground. I'm gonna jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We want to do this with a little bend in the knee as possible. Of course, we want to bend it a little bit so it won't hurt our knee, but we don't want to use our big muscles as much. We want to use the calf muscle, okay? So you're doing 20, 20, and last thing we're going to do is our squat jacks, all right? Squat jacks is a jumping jack. You know, do the jumping jack, open your legs, open your hands, except we're going to do down, okay? And we're going to do this sumo style. So when we land, we want our feet to land really wide and our toes to point out. That way we're going to work the inside of our legs, okay? Work the inside of our quadricep. This inside muscle is very important to protect your knee. On top of that, we're gonna be getting that nice cuts in our leg, okay? So we're doing a squat jack. When we land, our toes should be pointing out and our butt's dropping down. When we come back up, our hands come.
Hey, what's going on? If you're enjoying the video so far, do me a huge favor and click on the like button below. You'll get your good deed for the day out of the way. It helps me out a lot. Also, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment. Something as simple as good video or I enjoyed the video. It really helps me out with YouTube. Alright, here's the rest of the video.
Come in. So down, up. Okay? Remember, keep that good form. Butt out, back straight, all the weights on your heels. You want all the weight to be on your heels when you do a squat. Okay? So let's jump right into this. Everything's 20 times. We got these exercises. We're doing 3 sets 30-second break, jump right back into it. You know, my motto, guys, we want to just crank this out as quickly as possible. No talking, no listening, no doing anything except just get straight workout so we can get about our day and we can get this muscles burned up and straight up as quick as possible. All right, so we're gonna jump in these squats. Here we go. We got 20. Remember, we're not sacrificing form ever, so we're going down. 1, 2, 3. I got good form. 5. Oh, 5, sorry. 6, trying to cheat you. 7, going down to 90. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're doing our lunge jumps, right? Just with the front leg. So I'm gonna take a big step, all right? Get in squat, lunge position. If you need to keep your balance, you can use a wall or something next to you, right? Remember, back knee goes down, front knee's jumping up, right? So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. You want that back knee hit the ground. If not, half inch off. I think that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we do other leg. My legs are already burning up, all right? So remember, front heel stays on the ground, back knee goes down. Top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we got the hops, right? It's gonna give your legs a little break. Legs should be breaking up by now. We're starting to shred them up, all right? We're hopping 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We got our squat jacks. Remember, we're really wide with the toes. So we're gonna work the inside. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're getting really low. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 30-second break, and we do it again. All right, guys, so we just finished the workout, all right? 3 sets, okay? Blasting out as hard as possible. 3 sets, 30-second break in between. Remember, we're just getting straight to work, all right? We're gonna shred these legs up. First set, if you're not feeling gas, if you're not breathing hard, if your legs aren't burning up, you need to work, you need to push yourself a little harder, right? We wanna go as hard as possible, okay? The harder we work, quicker we're out here, freaking more jacked up we get, more shredded our legs are gonna be, all right? Tip of the day, good form, especially with legs, okay? You wanna make sure we preserve these knees. Doing the legs workout are actually gonna help protect your knees in the future because you have stronger muscles, support those joints, support everything else around it, okay? So that's why you see people that are in good shape get injured a lot less because you have a good, strong quad and hamstring. It's gonna protect your knee, all right? But very important when we do these workouts, especially when we start to add weight, that we have good form. Our knees always stay above our ankles. They don't go forward, okay?
Hey, real quick, one more thing before you go. I want to make sure you know that there is no correlation between how hard you work and how much fat you melt or how much muscle you build, all right? There's enough science, enough data out there that there's absolutely no correlation between hard work and results, all right? There's a difference between movement and achievement, all right? If you want to learn my best tips, what I call the 5% hacks that allow you to get maximum results, maximum fat loss, maximum lean muscle gain, I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of this page, or you can click on the link in the description. All right, you're going to get a complete system for melting fat in an intelligent and streamlined system. I'll see you there.